Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some plants from Plantsbymail.com that they sent me this week. I am doing a shade planting series of videos, and I ordered a couple shade plants from Plantsbymail.com. This will be the second mail order unboxing you're going to see. So there's two companies that are sending me plants by mail, and then I'm also going to a retail garden center, and I'm also going to a wholesaler, a grower that actually does some retail. And so you're going to see lots of different ways that I'm sourcing the plants for the shade planting job. But I'm super excited about these two pieces I got from Plantsbymail.com. If you've seen me unbox anything from them, you know these are going to be terrific. I was down in Alabama and shot a video on how they go about picking out the plants in the nursery, and the size and scale of their operation down there in southern Alabama. And so like I say, I'm super excited about these. My table here that I have this box on is pretty inadequate. These are unboxed from the bottom. The plants just slide out from the bottom, and we just cut this, anything that'll cut this tape that they tape the bottom of the box with will work. And quick and easy like that. Like I say, my table is probably inadequate for what I got going on here. There's these little tabs on the side of the box right here that just kind of lock the pot into the bottom of the box, and we undo those four tabs. That way, if the box ends up flipped upside down, these pots stay locked down in the bottom right there. But I should be able to lift this box up and just have them slide out the bottom without the table falling over, without the plants falling on the ground. And yes, oh yes, look at these pieces, guys. Man, look at this. This is a Marvel MAHONIA. This is definitely one of the pieces that I wanted to use in the shade planting. In the back here, this is this will have the yellow clusters of fragrant flowers on it in the late winter. This one may not in this first year. That's it'll be pretty typical. I've got a Camellia sasanqua here called Bella Rouge. I think this is Bella Rouge. Yes, yeah, this is Bella Rouge. I haven't covered this one. This is another one of many camellias in the Southern Living Plant Collection, but this one has a really nice pinkish red double flower opening up right there. I hope you can see that a little bit. Right there is the tag on Bella Rouge. What a beautiful plant that is. And two more perfect plants from the Plantsbymail.com. I will when I take these out of the box, I always take this clear plastic off, because if the sunlight hits that, it's going to heat it up like a greenhouse and cook the roots. Neither one of these have any new growth on them. I would be somewhat concerned if I'd unboxed these and they had a ton of new growth on them, whether or not I was going to plant them going into winter. I'm in zone 7B. Both of these are hardy into actually no, these are both hardy into zone 7. And so if I'm going to go back on that and say that Marvel MAHONIA is actually hardy in zone 6. I remember Soft Caress is only hardy up to zone 7, but Marvel's hardy into zone 6. If like I say, if I'd unboxed them and they had a ton of new growth on them, I may have just kind of reserved, put them to the side and not planted them till like February or, after the worst of the winter. Typically my worst temperatures, and most people's worst temperatures, are going to be between maybe December 15th and, February 1st, would probably the peak cold being that first or second week of January. But these don't really have any new growth on them. The camellias have the typical flower buds on them, and they'll just open on the warm nights. The MAHONIA doesn't really have any new growth on it, so they're better off in the ground with the roots protected and mulched well. So that's what I'll do. So like I say, I have two more plant sourcing videos to go, and then we'll have the plants collected here, and I'll go about planting them back here and tell you why I selected the different plants that you're seeing me collect. Thanks for watching.